Hi everyone, this is Tess from Unknown Japan. I've just landed in Tokyo's Narita Airport.
This time we'll show you how to turn a 10-hour layover at Narita Airport into an unforgettable Tokyo adventure. From snapping iconic photos at Kaminari Mon to soaking in a traditional public bathhouse and eating some of the city's best ramen and sushi, we're squeezing the most out of every minute. Tag along, you might feel like you're right here with us. Let's head down to the first basement level to catch the train. You can take care of everything you need for the day right here. Start by withdrawing some cash from the ATM, then exchange your currency at the Skyliner and Keisei Information Center.
So now that you got your cash, we want to get a travel Suica card that will allow you to get onto public transportation and pay for all the other or most of the activities that we want to do throughout the days.
Thank you.
There's many different lines and different ways of getting into Ueno, but today we will catch the Ueno KS Skyliner that is the fastest. Here is my ticket, and I will only use this to pass through the gates. And remember to take it. Japanese trains are extremely on time, so make sure to be on time for your train. And I picked the window seat. We are about to reach in a couple of minutes. Make sure to have your ticket in your hands as you will need it to get out of the gates.
Walking through Ameyoko, short for Ameya Yokocho, it's buzzing. This market was born after World War II as a black market where people sold candy and American goods. That's where the name Ameya or candy shop comes from. Today, it's all color, smells, and sound. Street food, bargain shops, and souvenirs you won't find anywhere else.
Hello.
Welcome.
Over here is going to be one of my favorite places because look at the sheer amount of tea. Here you can get really nice tea souvenirs as well. And for all of you who would like to get some Japanese sweets, this is the place. All right, so my personal recommendation is actually this area. It's like very Japanese sweets. So here you can actually find different flavors of Kit Kats. Hello Kitty gummy. This is a Dragon Ball one. Let's also get some matcha pocky. Thank you. Now it's 11 in the morning, a little bit early for lunch, but the whole street smells really nice. But here there's a ramen spot.
Ueno's Ameyoko area is a ramen's lover dream. There are tons of shops like this one, and many of them take Suica, which makes things super easy. If you're craving noodles, you're in the right place.
Thank you. ありがとうございます。Wow, this literally took 3 minutes. Okay. いただきます。This soup is so rich, so nice. And this is my favorite, is the Japanese marinated egg. Now we need to keep on exploring. This is the end of our stroll around Ueno's Ameyoko, and next I want to take you to Tokyo's most traditional neighborhood of Asakusa. All right, here we are in front of the Kaminari Mon, the Gate of Thunder. However, if we just cross the street and go to the Asakusa Touristic Center and show you the view. Okay, Okay, look at this beautiful sight right here in front of me. We have a beautiful view of Asakusa. Once you get through the Gate of Thunder, you can go through all this Nakamise Dori, which is a very ancient street here in Asakusa. The last building that you see, that is the main temple of Asakusa. And if we go this way, there's a Skytree, which is the tallest building in Tokyo. And over there's the Sumida River as well, which is a beautiful area to stroll around at nighttime as well. Okay, let's go through the gate. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, here you can eat Japanese dango and amazake, which is a fermented rice drink. We all want to try Japanese mochi, daifuku, strawberry mochi. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Bye. If you get this green tea coupon, you can follow through onto this street. And then here, we're gonna get some tea. Cha. So nice. It looks incredible. So fresh. Wow. Alrighty, let's go back to the main street. We are now heading towards the main part of the temple, which is just down there in front of us. Right in front of us, we have a 5-storied pagoda representing the elements of earth and the sky. This place is called Jokoro, and there's incense smoke coming out of there, and people put it over their heads as well. There's many beliefs around it, but one of them is that you get more clever, or also if you have pain somewhere in your body and you kind of spread that smoke over it, you will get better. Let's to proceed into call for worship. Okay, it's forbidden to film inside of the main hall of the temple, but if you look on the ceiling, there are some beautiful paintings of Kannon and the lotus flower. Can you hear the sound? That is Japanese Omikuji, fortune-telling sheet. This one costs 100 yen. And now the fun begins. So number 51, let's put this back. Number 51, I get regular fortune today. I'm blessed. And I can start a trip safely. Well, that's the most important for me. All right, so now let's go and eat Japanese melon pan. It's the fluffiest thing in the entire world. Konnichiwa. Can I please have one melon pan? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. All right, here it is. Wow, it smells so nice and it's really warm, freshly baked. This place and a lot of places around this area close around 4 p.m. So yeah, make sure you don't miss out on it. Just have a look at how fluffy and beautiful it looks. Wow. Look at the steam coming out. It's like crunchy and with a little bit of sugar on the outside and just a cloud on the inside. So fluffy, it just feels so light.
This sento sees up to 800 people a day. There's an open air bath, a sauna, and a classic indoor tubes too.
It's locked.
can switch the language into English. Tickets for today. You can get the regular entrance fee if you have a towel, or the entrance fee with the rental towel set. I think that's the one that we're gonna get today. Station card. And once you got your ticket, hand it over to the reception. Here, you'd have to be completely naked for the purpose of filming. We've been granted permission to go in with a towel, and I'm wearing the swimmers underneath.
Unlike onsen, which use natural hot springs, sento use heated tap water. But trust me, the vibes are just as good.
For your head not to get too hot, you can keep the towel on top of your head. Don't put it into the water. I come to the bathhouse, especially this one, really often. I barely spend time in the indoor bath just because my favorite one is the outdoor bath. This is just below 40 degrees and it's just so nice. Oh, that was so relaxing. I'm gonna just give the towels back to the receptionist. Here, thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is a break space. There's many drinks that you can have because it's very hot in the bath. To purchase it, you actually need to use the same machine. Since we have a little bit of time left, especially for anime and manga lovers, I would like to introduce you to the neighborhood of Akihabara, which is where we're gonna head towards next. I have now reached Akihabara station and neighborhood. This is a paradise, honestly, for any anime, manga, and electronics lovers. If you go on the top floor of this store, there is a gaming center. So if you are into any type of gaming games, this is the place to go. If you come here on a Sunday, this road will be completely car-free. If you're looking for any special volumes of One Piece and other manga, you should be able to find them here at Comic Zen.
Before heading back to the airport, we've got time for one last treat: sushi. Akihabara has no shortage of options, so follow your nose and pick what calls to you. The perfect last bite in Tokyo.
Okay, let's go for that. Cheers. Oh wow, that's amazing. Itadakimasu. Let's go. From the salmon. This here is my favorite one. It has ginger on top. It's a silver skinned fish with the slight spice of the ginger and the crunchiness of Japanese negi onions. Just a great combination. What a feast. It was a really full-on day, but I fear that we have to head back to the airport to make it on time for our next flight. We are still at Akihabara. We are now going to catch the train. You can also get a taxi if it feels easier for you. Okay, you see it? This is the red JR, Japan Railway station. Let's go. Okay, I just got out of Shinobazu Deguchi of the JR station, and now we're gonna head to the Keisei line, which is just across the street over there. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope that you will actually come back to Japan not only for a 10-hour trip, but to come and stay here longer, because there's so much more to explore this charming country. If you have any ideas for our next videos or anything that you would like us to feature or to see featured on our channel, please do let us know in the comments. Do not forget to leave us some likes and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time. Bye!
Unknown Japan hosts engaging meetup events, both online and offline. Experience authentic Japanese culture and join our workshops to collaborate on YouTube production with our team. Interested? Click the link down in the description.